Jeez, how much money can there be in cookies that you get for free?
And now we're being retina scanned?
Oh, good.
This place is run by Cookie Monster. Stealth rule number 1. Turning off 300 cameras draws more attention than changing outfits. Eye of Thundara! Give me suits beyond suits!
What the hell was that?
Reusable Sailor Moon sequence.
Want to know the secret to how I changed my future?
Yes.
Well, once you're a level 7 investor, you'll learn that and more.
Yeah, we're not getting the answers we want here. How unfortunate. Well, I'll be damned.
Whoa! What?
We've got intruders.
So are we going to ignore that you tried to stop bullets using my body? Those are those weird hex-headed screws. Do your screwdriver fingers...